Hey everyone, Mrs. KJ here. I'm going to tell you how to take a screenshot. If you have a Mac, an Apple product, you are going to want to do Shift Command 3 or Shift Command 4. It does it slightly differently, so you're going to have to choose which one you want. I do not have a Mac, so I cannot show you any more than that. If you do not have a Mac or an Apple, so any other kind of computer, you can press the Windows key and Print Screen button at the same time. However, I think there's an even better way and a way that I use all the time. I like to use the tool called the Snipping Tool. If you go in the bottom corner, you're going to have a little magnifying glass and you can type in there Snipping Tool and it should come up. It might have a different picture, but it should be the same thing. You are going to open it, and when it opens, you're going to see my last screenshot's already on here from our tsunami game, but you're going to click on New. If you notice, it kind of grays out the screen, and I have a cursor that is a cross. So I go in the corner of wherever I want to take my shot. I click and hold and drag, and I get exactly what I want. So let's say I want that much. I let go, and it has it for me. Now, the other important thing is you need to save it. So make sure you save it into a folder or on your desktop, somewhere where you can find it, and name it. If you don't name it, then you're going to have a hard time finding it later. So if I just do capture, that doesn't really help. So you want to make sure that you name it, and then of course choose where you want to save it on your computer. The other thing is, instead of having to search for it every time, if you right click down on the bottom, you're going to get some choices. So it will say pin to the taskbar. So right now mine says unpin because it was already pinned. So if I pin it to the taskbar, now it's going to be down here anytime I need it. So again, you can just click New, and you click and drag, and once you have your screenshot, you can just go ahead and do a save as. As always, if you have any questions, let me know.